Okay, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Monday, July 24th, 2023. It is 5:53 and 24 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, wireless charging. So let's jump to it here. Going the distance for better wireless charging, accounting for radiation loss, is the key to efficient wireless power transfer over long distances. Date July 21st, 2023. Source: Alto University. As charging over short distances, such as through induction pads, using magnetic near fields to transfer power with high efficiency, but at longer distances, the efficiency dramatically drops. New research shows that this high efficiency can be sustained over long distances by suppressing the radiation resistance of the loop antennas that are sending and receiving power. As previously, the same laboratory created an omnidirectional wireless charging system that allowed devices to be charged at any orientation. Now they have extended that work with a new dynamic theory of wireless charging that looks more closely at both near, non-radiative, and far radiative distances and conditions. In particular, they show that high transfer efficiency, over 80%, can be achieved at distances approximately 5 times the size of the antenna, utilizing the optimal frequency within the 100 MHz range. They wanted to balance effectively transferring power with the radiation loss that always happens over long distances. It turns out that when the currents in the loop antennas have equal amplitudes and opposite phases, they can cancel the radiation loss, thus boosting efficiency. The researchers created a way to analyze any wireless power transfer system, either mathematically or experimentally. This allows for a more thorough evaluation of power transfer efficiency at both near and far distances, which hasn't been done before. They then tested how charging worked between two loop antennas positioned at a considerable distance relative to their sizes, establishing that radiation suppression is a mechanism that helps boost transfer efficiency. As this is all about figuring out the optimal setup for wireless power transfer, whether near or far, with their approach, they can now extend the transfer distance beyond that of conventional wireless charging systems while maintaining high efficiency. Wireless power transfer is not just important for phones and gadgets. Biomedical implants with limited battery capacity can also benefit. The scientific investigators and researchers can also account for barriers like human tissue that can impede charging. And this is a professor of space technology, advanced physics, mathematics, and later of research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.